The officers, one civilian,
Mother's a lesbian.
who's obviously we won't use macros, and the gang member's causing issues, but he has no weapon out.
Sat in my room.
All he's doing is just causing like this nuisance. So I'll be the gang member. Used to pay the officers. No. Are you ready?
I didn't catch a word of that, I'll be so wrong.
That wasn't new, that was Candice. Don't get too excited. Wow. Who's done that?
You sausage.
No, wait, what are you doing?
She's falling on you. Right, stop tasering for 1 second. What are we doing? Nathan! Release her! Release
Candice,
her!
come here. Come here.
In. Candice, go to Nathan. He'll let you out.
Release the cuffs immediately.
No, what are you on about?
Mate, why the fuck are we cuffing? Don't be doing that.
Sorry, Beth. Sorry.
Who's cuffing who?
May, sorry.
Yeah, don't do that.
Sorry, Mom.
You can actually get dismissed for it.
Especially if that after that meeting off Wade yesterday, we need to make sure that we're doing everything by the book because the higher ups gonna be keeping an eye on everything.
Yeah, I didn't realise. Sorry, I won't do it again.
It's actually taught to you during your induction training as well, not to cuff officers.
And especially because Wade's coming down here more to check what people are up to. If he comes in and sees that, he could be gone.
Yeah, sorry.
Like, I didn't see anything, I just heard about the cuffs, but please don't cuff anyone.
Where's legendary bone gone?
Just you might get your body cam requested, so I would say. So obviously a couple of gens have now heard what's happened. So just be prepared.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah, you guys are just yeah.
I just took a rap there for that.